It's your boy, Began. I'm back again. Time for a little nightly AI deep dive into something. And obviously, Sam's panicking. DeepSeek's got him, on the ropes. And so they had to release a new model. So o3-mini is here. They skipped over o2. They couldn't give us a full o3. They couldn't give us a full o3 Pro. But we got an o3-mini. Now, already there's 1,000 little Twitterers saying, guys, look how much better it is than DeepSeek, or look what I made from the previous code, the Python code that I didn't even have to write. It made a whole game for me. I never trust those people, okay? I want to see them actually struggling. They act like they're one-shotting it on a single prompt. I don't believe that. So we're going to do it together. And obviously, we're not going to do Python. We'll do a little bit of Rust. So let's see what happens here, okay? So I got ChatGPT o3-mini here. So I wanted to write me some code. So write me a simple Rust program that shows people keep showing like a box with a ball inside of it. I'll try and recreate that. That shows a rotating box. I'm going to say spinning box in the terminal with a ball inside that is moving in the box according to physics. That sounds way too hard for it to do. Physics. So let's see what we get here, okay? First of all, nice speed. A little bit faster, okay? I've been touching that o1 Pro. I don't got time for that. So we can see here it says deciding on physics. It's actually going through a little thinking stage, animating rotating box, simulating a rotating box, crafting the interaction, mapping the dynamics, simulating rotation, creating the visual, deciding on the physics, tracking the process, creating the canvas, transforming the canvas, shaping the code, piecing together the simulation. Below is one concrete example. It uses only the standard library and ANSI escape codes to clear and move the cursor. Compile it with cargo. In this example, the rectangular box is a width of something and something. Who cares? This is a simple demo style physics, and a more advanced one, you might want to use cross term. We might say, let's ask it for cross term. So here's the code, and it's got a main. It does look pretty small, so we'll do a little cargo new, we'll call it fun. Move into fun. Paste the code. And let's see, do we get a compile? Are we going to get a compile first try? Whoa, it compiled. This made me realize my Rust programs have too many dependencies because that was fast. I've been addicted to something a little too slow. So let's say cargo run. Okay. Hey, o3-mini, not bad. Look at that. That is pretty good. Okay. First one pretty good. All right, so let's say update it to use cross term and the physics be more realistic. Also, make it so the outer box color changes every time the box hits the side. Add a little bit of complexity. But hey, so far, o3-mini, you won the first one. All right? You won numero uno. Let's take a look at this code right here. How long is this thing? It's only 188 lines. That's nothing here. We've got a little vec for some positions here. Here's something called vec2. Why? I don't know. Here's draw lines. Ah, yes. We are using the Bressenham line drawing algorithm between 2 points. Beautiful. Lovely. We've got a little clear screen function using nice little ASCII escape codes. Love that. I love the fact that it didn't pull something from a library and it just was using standard ASCII escape. And let's see what we got now. Okay. Looks longer, looks detailed. Looks like we got a lot of good stuff here. And now I'm going to have to actually add cross-term in RAND. So let's first... Do I want to save the old code? You got to save every piece of code it made. Cargo add cross-term. Cargo add rand. Cargo run. Oops. People think you need Python. People think Rust is hard. Look at that. That's a bit more dependencies. Uh-oh. We have a problem. No method choose for the current array. So that's close, though. All right, is that the only error we got here? And then we've also got a deprecation warning about how we're using the RAND. So 369. So I could ask it to correct in here. I mean, I really could just do this and not even think. If I want to go start using Avante instead, but we're doing O3 experiments, okay? Ah, yes. So you're saying instead, make it be this. Change this to this. And so here's that line. They're saying, what was the difference here? They're now doing a choose on. There's a method choose mutt that's similar. Okay, I'll try it. There's a similar. Okay, you're being a jerk here. This could be because of this error because the choose method is provided by slice random trait from the random crate. Sometimes the compiler doesn't automatically coerce the array into a slice for method lookup. You could fix this by converting it to a slice. So we think that we're converting it to a slice right here. Also, do we have slice random being imported? We do, and they're saying it's not being used instead. So if we actually look at what slice random does here, here is using slice random. Here's shuffle. There's partial shuffle. Slice choose. So there is test slice choose. So there is choose here. And this is just a regular. Oh, I don't know actually why. I'm wondering here. I'm going to get rid of this code here. I could just keep asking AI why it's breaking, but I want to. If you cross-term result, let's do this. Let's see if sometimes they did make another fix inside of the whole thing. Sometimes that does happen and I don't see it. But I could look for it. No, we're still having the same problem. No method found for slice color in the current scope here. Okay. This is... I could actually read the API and figure this out, but that's not the point of these experiments here, okay? It's to see what O3 can do for us if we're just being a script kiddie, which, you know, sometimes we are. Cargo clean, cargo build. Yeah, I have this, okay? But you think it's something like that? Oh, when I did my add, I've got rand 0.9. Quick little rebuild. Still failing. Sure. Get rid of all that. Again, whoops. Get rid of all this. And, whoops. Is there anything different here? Yeah, they're just saying use choose mutt. Okay, so this is something, this is why? I actually don't know. I don't know. And this is something stupid. This is like a Rust problem I should be able to actually solve pretty quick. No method choose found for the slice color in this scope. It's a slice. It should be available because we imported this slice random. However, for some reason, this slice random is not helping. Do I have to do something with this slice to make it be its extension trait on slices? Exactly. I'm trying to extend slices. The trait is implemented for all T slice types, providing several. Okay, cool. So the problem is it's not it's implemented on all T slice types, providing several methods. Well, if it's on all T, that's every type. And we're saying use random sequence slice right there, and it doesn't seem to be working. Is there? Do this without using choose. What is the other way? There you go. Gen range. Okay. Still a problem. Okay. Choose still not working. Give alternate method. I do want to figure out what this problem is. I feel stupid, actually. It's I'll go back. It's this. Is it, I mean, something about like us loading, this is a slice. We know it's a slice because this is what converts it to a slice right here, right? And I could even say box slice. Also, I mean, you can tell my workflow, this is, I'm waiting for an O1 Pro to finish, whoops. And, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, it's deprecated, but does it build? Great, we have a cross-term problem, which is no big deal, because I actually would just rather use... One thing I always want to use anywho result. Anyway, I should keep that in my system prompt. There we go. And I forgot to add it. And we forgot to import it correctly. God, all the code I'm writing is all wrong. There we go. Let's see. Okay. Is that physics more realistic? I don't know. It is changing colors and bouncing against it. Okay, it's doing something. It's kind of, you know what I mean? Okay, let's see if we can give it something else, okay? Here. Well, first of all, the problem is that I have to give it my updated code. Here's how I updated the code to work. Give it some rust. And then from here, I'll say, make it so the ball gets bigger every time it hits a wall. And let's look at the speed of this sucker, if it actually is fast. First, we're getting out our plan here. Very, 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 very fast, honestly. And then from here, am I allowed to just try and... Come on, give me one shot, one shot, one shot. Oh, we were close. I think I copied it before it finished... spitting out. So I copied half of it. So we'll try again. Here we go. Go away. Cargo run. Okay, well, okay, wow, okay. Wow. Okay, wow, wow, okay, wow. The problem, it's not quite, okay, it is working. It's okay, it's cool. It's doing something. All right. Let me, it's great, it's great. I love it. Make the starting box bigger. There we go. I mean, I could do that myself, but that's not the point of this, okay? I mean, it does feel pretty fast compared to previous models I was using from Jippity. We're all getting addicted to deep seek speeds. All right, let's see how this one is. Come on, just run. There we go. Nice and bigger. Okay, it's a little off screen, but it's not that bad, okay? I wonder what I could also add to it. Hey, it's doing something. Is it getting skinnier? Maybe. It's close. It's doing something here. Here, let's try something way more complicated. Make the ball be a colorful ball whose colors are swirling the whole time it moves around, like a rainbow rotating. But in general, pretty good so far. I mean, definitely for the other OpenAI stuff, I'll be switching over. So I got to do a full day of this versus DeepSeek, which I didn't do today. Look at the ball's just getting bigger. But I will definitely do that tomorrow to give a little bit more feedback. I didn't want to stop and just... I want to do the evaluation live instead of working all day and then coming here and ranting and raving. But I will be coding a bunch tomorrow, and I will do more. Let's see what we got here. I mean, we got something beautiful. We got something beautiful. Run on first run. Okay, look at that ball. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Wow, it's beautiful. We really got something going on right here, okay? Here we go. Now make me a whole Conway's Game of Life with sounds. Let's see. Beautiful. Look at that. Hey, look at my rainbow. This is not that bad. Gorgeous. Wow. I made some art right here. We really did this together. That's pretty good. All right, let's see if we can one-shot this Game of Life. Yeah, you're planning a 2D VEC. Okay, we got it. We got it. You got it. You know what to do. We got a new board. You're doing it. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Well, definitely want to save that. That was beautiful, actually. So first, let's get rid of this. This is the old code. And then this will save. And okay, let's see. We one-shot in this or not? I don't know. Cargo build. Oh, Rodeo. Oh, go Rodeo. Love Rodeo. That's what I use for my own stuff, my own audio, my own programs. Well, hopefully this isn't loud. This might get really loud. We'll see. No take duration. Okay. Just paste it in. Don't even think twice. There's no method take duration on this. Come on now. Did it also give me any other dependencies? Rodeo ran cross term. No. Just give me a new program. Okay, if that's what you want to do. You're not even going to tell me what? No. Add the fall. Oh, did I forget this? I was missing rodeo source. All right. I will take the whole thing again. And here we go. Oh, close. So this just needs to be an F32. Here, I'll do this. Convert freak to F32. There has to be a faster way than this. I could have just done it. Is it gonna be what, a parse? A parse in, or no? You're just wrapping it there. Okay. Turn that down a little bit. My sound is amazing. Look, we got a spinner here. I mean, hey, it's working. That was pretty good. Okay. o3-mini, first impression so far, pretty good. I like it. It was able to code our Rust pretty good. I mean, this is good sounds here. That's good stuff. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, cool. Good job, OpenAI. Okay, redeeming yourself in a tough couple weeks here. So I will definitely code a bunch more with this tomorrow. Maybe I'll have some feedback for tomorrow when I record another video. But if not, hey, I think tomorrow might be February 1st. Is that true? Tomorrow is February 1st. That means we finished a whole month of videos. So we'll be back tomorrow for more videos. I'm excited. Every single day I upload something talking about AI or the future. Sometimes it ends up in crypto because that worlds intersect. But if you want me to talk about anything, just ask me in the comments. If not, I'll be here tomorrow. Hooray. We did it. Tell me what you think of O3.